We're about to find out, if you don't already know, what type of RAM is installed in laptop computers, typically. First, we have ECC. What is ECC? Well, ECC stands for Error Correcting Code. This is a type of RAM that's typically found in servers, and it's a type of RAM that can detect and correct single-bit memory errors, hence the Error Correcting Code RAM. At the end of our data, it appends a little piece to store in memory and enhance data integrity and reliability. But it is not found in laptops, typically found in servers. What about SPD RAM? Well, SPD RAM, how about you tell me, because I've never heard of it before. It does not exist, so no SPD RAM. What about SD-RAM? SD-RAM stands for Synchronous Dynamic RAM, and it's not specific to laptops, but it is an early generation RAM. What is specific to laptops is SODIMMs, and SODIMMs are a small outline dual inline memory module. That's what SODIMM stands for. It's a small form factor RAM, and it is typically found in laptops. So the answer will be SODIMMs. SODIMMs are a type of RAM that will be typically installed into a laptop computer.